Well, we're picking up the great train chase.
Oh boy, and has it been a chase?
Oh, it's mayhem. There's so many people and dogs and everything going on. Everything going on. And now just to add sauce to that particular goose, it's snowing.
Of course. It's been doing that all spring.
It's that time of year when anything can happen, and this morning it's snowing. So there it is. Evanston to Ogden with the big boy. Check it out.
I don't think we're going to catch it.
Well, I hope we will. This is the upper Echo Canyon. The part we really want is the lower Echo Canyon, and it's going to take him quite a while to get there. But let's start back at Airport Road this morning, just leaving Evanston.
Ian got us some great drone footage.
Isn't that amazing? Ian's one of the best drone operators. We've worked with him before, he and his dad, Casey Williams, and we worked with them on that Port of Los Angeles movie a couple years ago.
Great guys.
Great guy. Anyway, I see the train is stopped here in Morgan, so we should be able to beat it to the Riverdale Yard in Ogden. What's that?
You guys are from Turnout Television, right?
Indeed, yes.
I really appreciate your videos. I watched them all.
Did you see the one on finding good locations?
Yeah, that's what we watched yesterday while we drove up and down the canyon to look for spots.
And here's the problem that I indicated. Once you come in here, you're never going to get out.
So where are you guys from?
The Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Wonderful. What part?
I'm from Amsterdam and he's from Amersfoort. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, awesome.
Really
I spent
nice.
many an interesting evening in Amsterdam.
Oh, really?
I used to live in Paris.
Oh, really?
And when the French people would make me nuts, which was every weekend,
Uh-huh.
I get on the train and I come to Amsterdam.
That's very nice. Do you mind if we take a picture?
Oh,
Yeah, we'd like to use you guys in our video.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
We always like to meet new friends.
Nice. Very nice.
There were a lot of people here from all over the world.
Yeah, they said in the press that this is the largest turnout of people in Utah since the 2002 Winter Olympics.
Good heavens.
Wow, think about that. Well, that was pretty amazing. Lots of people.
Oh, yeah.
Well, once the train got to Ogden, they did some switching because they broke the double header apart because for the next 3 days they're going to be doing Golden Spike festivities. And they've got a whole thing planned for Ogden using the 844 and the 4014 going nose to nose. And doing golden spiky kinds of things there.
Yes.
While the actual reenactment of the driving of the Golden Spike will be going on at the Golden Spike National Historic Site at Promontory Summit.
Yes.
And the actual 150th anniversary of that is May 10th. And we have tickets. We had to get the tickets and they sold out literally in about 5 minutes. But we were fortunate that we bagged a pair of tickets. So we will be there and you will be there with us.
Right.
And then on the 12th, the train goes right back up the hill, which is actually next Sunday show. Because we're gonna show you guys the reenactment at a future date.
Yes.
Because we want to stick with the train. Anyway, if you're not a subscriber, do subscribe and share and do all those wonderful things. Thumbs up.
Get the word out.
You know, get the word out. Tell everybody all about this because we're having a lot of fun and everybody should join the fun. Now, the easy way to get over to the channel and become a subscriber is to click on the blue button. We ready for it? Sorry. Well, we're not sure how you found this movie on the internet. We hope you didn't find it boring. And we will see you on Tuesday with some more toys, and on Sunday when we go back up the hill with the train. See you then.
See ya.
Bye-bye.